Dear friends, welcome to another video from Infos. A happy news to announce that when we are starting a new uh, video lessons opportunities. In this one, we are just to exploring the hydrocarbon industries. Hydrocarbon industries mainly in Middle East area, Arab countries or Gulf areas. So, what are the different industries are working in various Gulf countries, and what are the opportunities available there? What are the different processes taking place? What are the different industrial products are producing these companies? And so this video will help new job seekers or experienced people, those who are looking a career starting in Middle East, Gulf countries. This will help them for achieving their goal. So I hope so this will help for mainly or Indian audience or Indian viewers, those who are looking a bright future in Middle East. So welcome to this video's opportunities. So in this video, mainly first video, we will explain about hydrocarbon, basic hydrocarbon industries and process. So then next coming on videos, we will discuss on various Gulf countries and the industrial scenario or industrial history on that one, what type of industry they are starting from the oil and gas production to petrochemical industries, how they are planning and developing and developed the industries development in that countries. So you will get a clear understanding on Gulf countries industrial picture. Thanks for watching my videos. Welcome to Opportunities Part 1. So in this one, before going to the detail of the Middle East industrial pictures, let us start that rewinding our basic hydrocarbon chemistry and basic hydrocarbon process one more time. That will help you to understand what type of industries are there, what type of products are available in, from oil and gas industries. So as you usually know that one, already I have explained in our previous videos. So this is a wellhead, from there is oil and gas is producing. So that is coming to there, and first we do that one oil treatment, oil and gas water separation. So the produced fluid from the wellhead reservoir, wellhead, we are separating that one, separation, desalting, degassing, storage and export. Oil we are supporting, and natural gas also we are supporting here. Natural gas also we are supporting here from the separation. Various type of separation is there: vertical, horizontal, and spherical, two phase and three phase. Various are there. That is you have to watch. Please, separation. Any doubt is there, or better to watch my oil separation videos are there. All videos list is I am placing in the description area. So you can see that one oil treatment itself. So natural gas is separating, then crude oil is separating. See, natural gases means C1 to C5 plus, you can say. That is methane, ethane, propane, butane and pentane, or pentane plus, you can say, above that one. All heavier hydrocarbons more than C6 plus, it is we normally call crude oil. So that is separating to, crude oil is separating. Then further, after the crude oil treatment, it will go to refinery for value added product like diesel, gas oil, or petrol, kerosene, jet fuel, various fuels, liquid fuels, you can say. It is going there. And of course water also separating here, and water normally we re-inject to the this well or further water injection well or disposal well for maintaining the head in that one. So it is circulating that water back to reservoir. So here, crude oil treatment is only this much, and the details are available in my previous videos. And here the gas is coming C1 to C5. So that is going to gas treatment. So in gas treatment, it means we will remove the contaminated gas or pollutant from like hydrogen sulfide and water, or water moisture, better to call, and plus fractionation, like separating C1, C2, C3, C4 according to their industrial application, according to their concentration and uh, quantity available, percentage of quantities available. They will separate, fractionate that one, C1 to C5. So the first one is C5 plus. We remove from gas treatment C5 plus, that is we called condensate. So condensate is liquid heavier hydrocarbon. All C5 plus the condensate will join to crude oil. So it will improve the crude oil quality. So it will blend in either refinery or before refinery or crude oil separation. This area it will blend with the crude oil to improve crude oil properties and specific gravity. So then C3 and C4 normally remove in the gas treatment fractionation column, that is called LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, propane and butane. In various composition it will 50-50, 40-60, in that ratio it will mix and consider as liquefied petroleum gas. So that is the fuel which is coming to heating, cooking gas coming to our kitchen. So then C2 mainly ethane. Ethane is going to petrochemical feedstock, various polymerization taking place from ethylene and other products are making from that one. Various number of petrochemical products are making from C2. Some information we can explore in our later sessions. So C2 always will go to feed petrochemical feedstock. Then another one is C1, that is methane, that is called a natural gas. So this will separate in the fractionation column as going as a fuel gas. Mainly it is using as a fuel gas in the gas turbines. Most of the Gulf countries are making power from electricity from gas driven power station, and this fuel gas C1 is as using as a fuel gas, and C1 is converting into liquid, that is LNG. Liquid form of C1 is LNG, that is coming to various countries. Some Gulf countries are exporting that one, manufacturing and exporting, and the receiving countries will reconvert or regasification, convert back to C1 and using as a fuel gas. So then C1 is using as gas injection to the well. So calling for the artificial lifting, gas lifting process. So compressed gas, fuel gas, C1 re-inject the well again, plus petrochemical feedstock. So this from C1 also we can make various petrochemical product. So these are the total hydrocarbon industry overview. From that one, oil is going to refinery, then natural gases is treating and separating, removal of pollutant, then separating as C5 plus and C3 and C4, then C2, then C1. So this way it is working, and based on this C1, various petrochemical industries are there. Of course, a refinery also is one of the major hydrocarbon industry. Refinery on most of the all Gulf countries having one or more than 2-3 refineries are there. We will introduce a refinery also, what in refinery, how it is working refinery. We will introduce one video on that one. Plus based on the C1 industry, then C2 based industry and C3, C and C4 based industries also. Mainly on petrochemical area, number of industries are there. We will identify and introduce and understanding how the process is there. So, so this will help So job seekers or those who are studying petrochemical, those who have experience in petrochemical industry have understanding that this type of industries are available, and those who can seek or job opportunities in Middle East, petrochemical area, hydrocarbon industry area, refinery area, etc. So in refinery process is liquid fuel, mainly heavier hydrocarbon. Still it contain maybe some lighter hydrocarbons are there, and refinery is doing crude distillation, fractional distillation, you can say continuous distillation, you can say crude distillation. Very simple definition of distillation is liquid separation using boiling point difference. That is the very simple definition. So crude oil is heating here and entering to a distillation column. Distillation column already I have explained in previous videos. Else we will do a separate process of refinery process separate. In soon we will do that one. So in that one, the boiling point, later boiling point, later gases, hydrocarbon component which have later low boiling point will come up. See here 20 is the 20 degrees C, C1 to C4 will separate here as liquefied petroleum gas. Some percentage will be available in crude oil still, that will separate here based on the boiling point difference. So later will go here. Then next later is naphtha, C3 to C9 you can say, or C8 you can say naphtha. It will use as a chemicals and other applications. Then next that is at 70 degrees C. Then 120 degrees C is C3 to C10, C5 to C10 petrol for the vehicle, gasoline you can say. Another one is 170 degree C10 to C18 kerosene or jet fuel, aviation ATF, aviation turbine fuel. You can use that one, jet fuel. Then another one is diesel oil, C14 to C20, 270 diesel oil at 270 degree. Then C20 to C50 lubricating oil, various lubricating oil, polishes, waxes, etc. Then at 600 degree furnace oil, you can say, this is calling furnace oil for liquid fuel. Then residue at more than C70, around 1000 degrees C, you can say, or 800 degrees C, it is a bitumen, and further processing or cracking large heavier hydrocarbon to lighter hydrocarbon process. So this is the basic refinery process. These are the basic refinery process. According to the requirement, they will rearrange this process. We will take a complete video on a refinery process. So, so liquid fuel is producing the end products are like this in refinery. So in C1, like now the gas based industries, we will review the overview of that one, like industrial application of C1 as a feedstock fuel for power generation. Already I explained in previous slide that the main application of methane is as a fuel gas. So most of the countries are using gas turbine driven power plant as C1 as a fuel. So LNG, C1 converting into liquefied natural gas, that is LNG. So that company is producing, some countries are producing LNG, and some other countries are importing LNG and converting into again C1 gas form of C1 and using as a gas fuel. High value added chemicals like petrochemical intermediates and clean fuels. So these are the feedstock, cell factory and product. These are the methane based industry fuel, pharmaceutical, commodity chemicals and biomass. Various applications are there in C1. And other C2 and C3, C4, all other, already we have separated C5 plus. C5 plus always a condensate that will added to the crude oil. Then C1 we separated as fuel. Then here it is C2, C3, C4. This all going to petrochemical industry or LPG. C3 and C4 I told you that one LPG. So this is the crude oil based petrochemical industry. In crude oil also, heavier hydrocarbon also, some petrochemical industries are working. From crude oil refining, after that one we will get naphtha gas oil, from that one benzene, aromatic hydrocarbons like benzene, xylene, toluene, propylene and butadiene. So that will get an in naphtha cracker that will do some chemical reaction and physical separation, physical cracking. Then we will make benzene, xylene and toluene. Various industrial applications are there. This aromatic hydrocarbons. From natural gas processing, ethane, propane, butane. Then ethane cracker, we will get ethylene, propylene and butylenes. So these are the basic petrochemicals. From this one we can make a number of product and petrochemical product, value added product daily using in our normal life and various product. Petrochemicals are used to produce consumer products such as aspirin, detergent, shampoo, pesticide, milk jug, gasoline, carpeting, synthetic fiber and rubbers, insulating material, paint, polyester cloth, automobile and clothes. So means you can name it that one, the number of product using in our daily life. You can see from crude oil, refinery and reformer. So catalytic cracking, all naphtha, all ethylene plant, all coming here. Aromatic line and olefin line is there. See the product which is from the aromatic line, automotive, building, electrical or food item, furniture, household product, pharma, sports equipment, textile. From the olefin route also, from naphtha oil also here coming, from natural gas also, C2, C3, C4, C5. See it is coming here, ethylene, propylene, ethylene, aromatic, C4s, hydrogen. See automotive, building, food, furniture, all you can see here. Plus propane also it is coming. Then natural gas also here, methane, mainly building, construction, fuel, furniture, insulation, sports equipment. Many are there. See. So these are the overview of various product, petrochemical products are manufacturing based on the industrial route, hydrocarbon route. It's a polymer process using for ethylene and propylene polymerization, ethylene to polyethylene, then low density polyethylene, low density polyethylene, then high density polyethylene, high pressure tubular process, chevron film, various processes are there. Then propylene to polypropylene, polypropylene and polyethylene, copolymers there. Then vinyl chloride to polyvinyl chloride, PVC, etc. These are the polymerization process, taking basic hydrocarbon, using polymerization and developing various petrochemical application. Then Middle East hydrocarbon industry overview. The bigger one is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So maybe you heard about that one. Saudi Arabia is the biggest oil producer and the biggest petrochemical industries as well in Saudi Arabia. So they are making, this is only overview and details we are taking, and in coming videos in different details of the industrial details, exclusively covering from Saudi Arabia in coming videos. This oil and gas production, they are doing one of the major their basic industry, oil and gas production, hydrocarbon. Then refineries are there, fertilizer is there. Fertilizer is the basic route, basic industry starting from petrochemical or hydrocarbon route, feedstock using fertilizer manufacturing, urea, ammonia, many other. Then and the petrochemicals. So these are the all industries are there. We will get a clear picture on in coming videos. And UAE, United Arab Emirates, our Dubai and Abu Dhabi are there. Oil and gas production, refinery, fertilizer, plus LNG manufacturing is there. Saudi Arabia, there is no LNG production, LNG conversion of C1 liquefaction. So, but Abu Dhabi is doing LNG plus petrochemical as well. Qatar also, Qatar is a very gas rich country. So they have oil and gas production, refineries there, LNG is there, not only one LNG, two, three LNG plants are there. Then a new technological gas to liquid GTL process also started in the Middle East, in Qatar only. GTL, gas to liquid, and plus petrochemicals are there. Qatar is a richest oil rich country and gas rich country. Kuwait, another oil rich country, gas oil and gas production, refinery and petrochemicals are there in refinery. Of course, fertilizer as well. Oman also another country, oil and gas production is there, refinery is there, fertilizer is there. Of course, LNG production is there, then plus petrochemicals are there. Bahrain, another Middle East country, oil and gas production, refinery, fertilizer and petrochemicals. So these are the six major Middle East countries are there. Other countries are as well. Yemen is also there, but these are the major countries. We will cover the various industries, various oil and gas production industry, name of the industry, in the history of the industry, and petrochemical. We will cover that one. What are the petrochemical products manufacturing in these countries? So the product name and brand name, etc., etc. We will cover that one in coming videos. So you will get a clear picture, and when you are getting an interview or job opportunity, so you can select that one. You will get an awareness on these Middle East countries and about their industrial scenario, industrial picture. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe this channel and for timely updation and information. Please join our Telegram channel for infos. So various update on opportunities and job opportunities, interviews and other things, positions available in we will post in a Telegram channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.